Hello everyone. Today I will show how to safely remove your Eufy doorbell camera from its mounting bracket. First, for safety, turn off the power to the doorbell at its breaker or wiring point, or unplug the chime if it's wired. This helps avoid any electrical risk or damage. Next, locate the small detaching pin or tool that came with your doorbell. If you don't have the original release pin, you can use a small straightened paperclip or SIM card ejector tool. Just be sure it is thin and firm. If your doorbell uses a pinhole at the top, locate the release hole at the top edge of the doorbell front face, just beneath the mounting plate. Insert the release pin gently into that hole until you feel the internal latch depress. Once you feel that click or give, grasp the doorbell firmly with one hand. With your other hand holding the wall bracket stable, lift the top slightly upward or outward and pull the unit straight off the bracket. Set it gently on a padded surface. If wired, then unscrew the base plate and disconnect the wires from the terminals. If battery powered, simply place the unit aside for charging or storage. If your doorbell uses a pinhole at the bottom, find the small hole on the bottom edge of the doorbell unit, near the bracket. Insert the release tool or paperclip into that hole and push upward or inward to engage the spring-loaded locking tab. Once the latch is released, hold the doorbell firmly and pull it away from the wall or mounting plate, often with a slight forward motion. Carefully disconnect any wiring or screws as before. After removal, inspect the bracket, wiring, and mount. Check for loose screws, damaged wires, or corrosion, and secure everything if you'll reinstall or replace the doorbell. By following these steps, you can remove your Eufy doorbell camera safely and without damaging the mount or device. Thanks for watching.